Welcome to Karnataka LMS. I am Suguna HG, working at GFGC and PG Center, Chintamani. In this video, I am presenting you the algebraic structures and problems on binary operations. Algebraic structures and examples for algebraic structures. A non-empty set G along with one or more binary compositions on G is called an algebraic structure or algebraic system. That means a non-empty set G along with one or more binary compositions is called an algebraic structure. For example, a group is a simple algebraic structure. N set of natural numbers with respect to addition forms a group, and set of integers with respect to addition is also a group. The binary operation plus must hold good the associative law, identity, inverse, and also closure law. N, plus is a group of natural numbers with respect to addition, and I, plus is a group of integers with respect to addition. Similarly, we have the algebraic structures with two operations. Here the two binary operations are plus and dot, means with respect to addition and with respect to multiplication. The set of real numbers is known as a ring. A set with two binary operations is called a ring. So it is also an algebraic structure. See, algebraic structure with one binary operation is called a group, and with two binary operations is called a ring. Now let us work out few problems based on binary operation. First one, in the set of natural numbers n, for all a, b belongs to n, which of the following is a binary operation? Here I have taken four problems, that is a star b is equal to 3a minus 4b, and a star b is equal to root ab. Third one, a star b is equal to a by b by a plus b. Fourth one, a star b is equal to a plus 3b. Now let us see which of these is a binary operation. Here the first one is a star b is equal to 3a minus 4b. Now to solve this problem, let me consider a and b as two natural numbers. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. Then 1 star 2 is nothing but 3 into 1 minus 4 into 2. In the place of a and b, just substitute a value is equal to 1 and b value is equal to 2. So 3 into 1 minus 4 into 2. So we get this as 3 into 1 is 3 minus 4 2s are 8. So 3 minus 8 is minus 5. See, minus 5 is a negative number which is not present in set of natural numbers. So minus 5 does not belongs to n. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. Why star is not a binary operation? Because a star b is equal to 3 into 1 minus 4 into 2, which is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 does not exist in set of natural numbers. Therefore, it is not a binary operation. Second problem, a star b is equal to root ab. Now for this also, let us consider a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. Then a star b is equal to 1 star 2. 1 star 2 means root of 1 into 2. Root of 1 into 2 is root 2. Again, it is not present in a set of natural numbers. Therefore, a star b is equal to root ab. In this case, star is not a binary operation. Why? Because a star b is equal to root 2 for a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. So, root 2 is not present in n. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. Then, third problem is a star b is equal to a minus b by a plus b. Let's consider a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 and a star b is equal to 2 star 5, which is 2 minus 5 by 2 plus 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3 and 2 plus 5 is 7. So minus 3 by 7 does not belongs to n because n doesn't contain any fractions. Again, star is not a binary operation. The fourth problem, a star b is equal to a plus 3b. For all a comma b belongs to n, a star b is equal to a plus 3b, which is belonging to n. Why? Because the sum of two natural numbers is again a natural number. Therefore, star is a binary operation. The sum of two natural numbers is a natural number. Therefore, star is a binary operation on n. Now, in this case, a star b is equal to 3a minus 4b. We get a negative number. So, it is not a binary operation. And a star b is equal to root ab. So, we will get a root of some natural number that is not present in the set of natural numbers. Therefore, it is also not a binary operation. Then in the third problem, a star b is equal to a minus b by a plus b. See, it is a fraction. Fraction does not belongs to set n. Therefore, third one is not a binary operation. Then coming to the fourth question, a star b is equal to a plus 3b, which is nothing but the sum of two natural numbers is again a natural number. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Example 2. Let g is equal to 1, minus 1, I, minus I be a set of 4 elements. Which of the following is a binary operation? Here I have taken two problems, that is a star b is equal to a plus b and a star b is equal to ab. To prove this one, let me take a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 from the set G and combine them together by using the binary operation a star b, which is equal to 1 star minus 1. Here star is an addition. So 1 plus of minus 1, which is equal to 0. 0 is not present in the set G. Hence, the star is not a binary operation in this case. Why? Because we have taken a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1. Then a star b will be 1 plus of minus 1. So it is 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. 0 is not present in G. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. Now let us see the second problem. In this case, a star b is equal to ab. So for all a comma b belongs to G, a star b is equal to ab. See here a and b, suppose if you take any two elements from the same set, then we get the product AB belongs to G. See, for example, 1 comma minus 1, if you take 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 is present in this one. Minus 1 into I is equal to minus I minus I is also present in this set. And minus I into 1 is minus I itself. So that is also present. Then I into minus I is equal to minus I square. Minus I square value is 1. So that is also present in the set G. Therefore, for all A comma B belongs to G implies that A star B is equal to AB belongs to G. Hence, in this case, star is a binary operation. In the example 2, we have the set G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. It is nothing but the set of fourth roots of unity. Here A star B is equal to A plus B. If you take, then it's not a binary operation because A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1. 1 plus of minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 is not present in G. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. In the second problem, see, A star B is equal to AB. So, A star B means it is the product AB. So, always the product of any two of these numbers, either 1 minus 1 or minus 1I or I minus I, the product is belonging to the set G. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Example 3. On the set of real numbers are which of the following are binary operations? Here I have taken two problems. A star B is equal to root of A square minus B square and A star B is equal to A power of B. First one, A star B is equal to root of A square minus B square. So to solve this one, I have taken A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, then A star B is equal to 1 star 2, which is equal to root of 1 square minus 2 square. So that is 1 minus 4, which is the root of minus 3. Root of minus 3 does not belongs to R because root of minus 3 is an imaginary number which is a complex number. So it is not present in real numbers. Hence, star is not a binary operation on R. In this, now the second problem, A star B is equal to A power of B. Second problem, A star B is equal to A to the power of B. For this also, I have taken A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to half, A star B is equal to minus 1 star half, which is nothing but minus 1 to the power of half, because A star B is equal to A power of B. So here again it is a root of a negative number. So root of minus 1, it is imaginary number, does not belongs to R. So in this case also, star is not a binary operation. Real numbers also contains both the rational and irrational numbers. Therefore, all real numbers can be expressed in the form of P by Q, means it contains fractions also. So I took B is equal to half and A is equal to minus 1, then minus 1 to the power of half is equal to root of minus 1, which is not present in R. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. Thank you.